everybody was saying, you can't get in his car. So, he had no trouble doing it. I know guys will probably say, I've never experienced a height problem, so. All right, here we go. Now this is called the bank or the slant. Now we can go up to a 30-degree angle without rolling that car. From up here, it does look like they possibly could roll this car over. If you're in the car, and y'all will be next, and you're looking out that far window going, she's wrong, we're fixing to roll this car over. Especially when it goes a little further. The further down he goes, the more tilt you got. Well, we can go up to a 30-degree angle. You say, what angle was he just a minute ago? Probably a 24-25. So he didn't take it to the max. Okay, now this is a 45% grade. I think I said this a while ago, but I'll still tell it one more time.
Yeah.
All right. Hill assist kicks in right off the bat to keep you from rolling back. Y'all know what that is. Hill assist has been out for a long time. But he's setting the DSR, okay? He's gonna show y'all how to set the DSR, okay? Once again, you can set it from 1 mile per hour up to 11, okay? And it will remain set unless you get over 12 miles per hour. He's gonna demonstrate it in reverse, in neutral, and of course y'all can go and do forward. It's hard when you're teaching somebody to do it, especially we used to do this out in the woods and we'll let y'all drive and we're telling you, go down this hill, but don't put your foot on the brake. They go, really? You know, I mean, you know, that's hard to tell somebody to do that. I promise you, it won't let you down. Now, when y'all get up on the hill after a while, they tell you don't touch the brake and it's gonna stop in front of that dummy. That's just up to y'all. I'm the one who always puts my foot on the brake.
Yeah.
But normally it works perfectly. But if you let it think you're a little bit in control, it feels like you touch something, they think the car thinks you're in control, we won't stop.
Oh.
Then you know what you're gonna do, don't you? Yeah. It's not gonna stop. It's not my pigtail. Has anybody hit it? Yeah. Usually on the next group when they come out here, I say, hey, did anybody hit the dummy? And there's always one of us, yeah, I did. No. Don't hit nothing in the tree. Yeah. All right, here we go on turn again. Now, once again, I mean, I brag about this, but this is all the stuff that I tell y'all is fact. We do have the best in class turning radius. If you've ever drove a GLS, it is a big vehicle, but it does not drive like a big vehicle. Okay. Well, I saw you come in. Well, did you have a GLE this morning?
GLE.
GLE. Okay. Well, you know, this is just a little bit bigger than your GLE. But the thing about this, and when you drive one later today, the thing is, what's cool about it, it doesn't handle like a big vehicle. You know, it handles so good. Okay. All right, now, like I tell y'all, goes up here, it's got to come down somewhere. So this is where you better have your seatbelt on, because when you get down to the bottom, everybody's like they're leaning. That's a 55% grade. At the plant, we can take it a notch up and go to a 70. So if y'all like that one,
touching the brake at all.
No.
It's doing it all
it's
for
doing it
him.
for him. It's hard to, when you're training somebody to do this and you're going down a hill like this, it may not look that bad here, and you tell somebody, do not touch the brake, the DSR is set, you're good to go. It's hard to tell somebody that because they're going, but once you do it a few times and you're good with it. Except where the dummy is. Except where the dummy is, I don't not here, up there.
Right.
It's just me. But here's the deal. In my case, I've been driving a long time.
Yeah.
Probably twice as long as all of y'all. 3 times on you. Okay? In that case, my foot says, go put the brake. You know, I'm just telling you. It's all in the brain, I guess. Now watch these rocks. So this is pretty cool though, because it's called the rock climb, but it starts out as rocks, but it gets larger.
Yeah.
Now, occasionally, and it's more times than occasionally, we will hear that metal skid plate hit these rocks. That's what it's there for protection. They don't hear it because you're so quiet. Everything's so quiet on the inside of the car. It's sort of, you just don't hear it. Every now and then somebody says, oh, I heard it. I thought, nobody else heard it. But, you know, of course somebody may have super good ears or something. But I just think the tires are cool the way they're spin. When it's set in this package here, then off-road mode, it's adjusting that traction because those tires are like 15 times a second. I think on the street it's 30, but here it's faster. Well, I guess that wouldn't be fast, that'd be slower, but still. Y'all know what I say. Hey, just go with me. Yeah. We were in the plant tour one day and we do armored cars. and they do it on the offline. And when we go over there where they put the hoods on the car, if y'all remember that area, they wasn't one there yesterday, so that's why I didn't say nothing. So anyway, I said, oh look, they're working on an armored tank. And I was still talking about the armored tank. And then my driver's going, that's the car, not the tank. I said, oh. I was in the door and I went, but it's still the outside. You walk up to it, so it's good. But you know, I mean, you got one here. Sometimes they get ahead of us coming in with you guys. The paper is over there. Did you? Well, y'all haven't got any in that paper. What is your dealership? Your dealership must be. Y'all must. Well, y'all can just point out. The very last one. Okay? One of them. I know that them take different stuff. Well, we can afford it. They talk to them. They don't have a GSR on there. The beds comes off like this. And he's going to show you something so y'all can take it. Here we go.
That is some of that. That's bad.